So today is Father's Day and here I am. Me and my hubby gonna walk. Kumusta po kayo? Mag-walking kami. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you always for watching my video. It's a nice day to walk today because it's very sunny. Here guys, this is the back of Linesville Business Park. Are you guys familiar for this one? We are here in Linesville, Pennsylvania, USA in our place. Look at that. Me and my hubby walking. Grabe guys, nasa kakahuyan kami. Oh, ayan oh. Oh, andito kami sa kagubatan. Sa kagubatan ng Pennsylvania. Gusto ko kayo. Ay, grabe yan. What are they doing? What hills? No, you cannot go there. It's deep. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, ay. Grabe no. Grabe no, ano. It's a full moon. Ay, full moon. It's not there. Yan guys, familiar ba kayo? Kung taga Linesville ka. Yan. Nagwo-walking kami oh. Ilang minutes na? 15 minutes na. Kasi ang ganda ng araw ngayon oh. So andito na kami oh. Grabing lakad ah. Ilang minutes. Konti pa lang. Lapit na kami sa country fair. Na kami. Grabing lakad yan. 30 minutes walk. Okay, andito na kami oh. Dito kagabi yung may concert. Ayan yung town namin. Napaka blue sky today. Diba? Ganda. Ayan. This one. They have a new one here. Boutique. Ayan. Kasi Sunday today. I don't know what. There is another concert. When is that? July 27 and August 17, September 21st. Yan yung hobby ko. Ayan. Dito na kami sa post office. Oh. Hindi siya nagpa-ice cream. Ayan. Hey, rabbit! Sa kagubatan na kami oh. Ayun oh. Kagi. Saan hoy lamok, wag kang mga gata. It's nice in here because you can see it's inside. Yeah. Tingnan nyo. Parang tibyaw lang no. Wala. I told you there's a trail in here. See? They open now, no? Beforehand they close. Okay, there's a little trail. Grabe. It's an old. Ayan o, tingnan nyo ha. Ano? Napakalalim pala na ito. Uy, may goodie. Hala. Uy, may goodie. Grabe to. Asawa ko. Ano? Ay, perde ka pa na, Hana. Ayun o. Uy, bagay. Oh. Kagers. Ay, grabe nanginginig yung you know, guys. Oh, at least I made it. Ha? I made it, baby. Ay, grabe, gubat. Ayan. Dito yan sa likod, oh. Ng post office. Grabe yan, no? How they make that? Exercise rate closed. Grabe, baby. Nasa kagubatan ng Pennsylvania. Ayun, oh. Oh, diba? See, look at that. Pero, tabi. Hello, tabi po. Padaan lang po kami. I love it. Diba may hobby tour me today? I've been here for how many years in our place? That's my first time. Is this raspberry? Raspberry? Wild? Yes, sure. You know. My hobby first.
Blackberry. Not right yet.
I'm just curious for all the... There's a purple one. Pasaway. Ay, ambot na lang palabiro yung asawa ko. Oh my God. An ka pa yung palabiro mo. Oh my God, you are so... Wild flower. So guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlog. And see you next time. Bye! Thank you for watching.